ngayon? Baka meron pa na birthday gift pa natin. Okay, so if wala, uy, si Ate Winter at si Ate Yumi, naka-birthday background. Na-birthday sila kay Kuya Mo today. Joke lang. Okay, so we are now in our very last day of our art class. Yay! Okay, did you make your assignment? Your last assignment nyo na lang yung painting. Okay, very good. Okay, tingnan natin sino unang nagpasa ng assignment. Okay, so the first one is okay, si Kuya Mo. Si Kuya Mo din yung una nagbasa ng Luffy. And then, parang dalawa ata yung assignment na pinasa ni Kuya Mo.
Yes po. Good day, everyone. I'm Mo Shannon Monroy, and this is my assignment. I painted a portrait of my favorite anime. Here is Monkey D. Luffy. As you can see, I am wearing a Terno Monkey D. Luffy PJs as posted in the video. Painting is the process or art of using paint in a picture as a protective coating or as decoration. I applied watercolor. Hope you like it. Thank you. Wait, there's more. I also paint another one. I painted a colorful tree. I painted a colorful tree. I just dipped the brush into the color palette. I just dipped the brush into the color palette and dump it onto the paper repeatedly to create a textural flower effect. I add solid black on the trunk and birds on the background. That's all. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Kuya Mo. So that's a really nice painting. A portrait and landscape painting. Wow, very good. Okay, next we have naman from Kuya Jael.
Hello, everyone. Since our assignment was to make watercolor painting, I decided to make something that lives on the water, a fish. As you can see here, there are bubbles here and plants here. The fish is in an aquarium. It is a neon tetrafish. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Jael. Okay, next we have from Ate Hani.
Hello. So, I made a tree. The colors I used was purple, black, and green. I had to recreate it because I tried to put leaves on it, but I couldn't. I made a tree.
Okay, thank you for that, Ate Hani. Very good. Okay, next we have naman from Ate Jaren. So, Ate Jaren's painting is the same color as her parang hair clips ata yan. Ate Jaren.
Hello, everybody. This is my assignment. I painted a sunset that has a cloud and a moon. That's all.
Okay, very good, Ate Jaren. So, next we have naman from... Wait lang.
This is my assignment.
Okay, from Ate Astria. Is Ate Jacinth here? Ate Jacinth? Okay, parang wala ata si ate. Okay, what about Kuya Gabriel side. Kuya Gabriel.
Teacher. Hello everyone, this is my drawing. I drew a tree on a cliff in the sunset. You couldn't see the sun very clearly because it blends in with the paper. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya. Okay, next to Kuya Gabriel is Ate Denise.
Good morning, teachers and classmates. This is my assignment. I drew a little happy flower, and I just used different colors to mix it, and yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Ate Denise. Okay, next we have from Kuya Ocean. Kuya Ocean.
So, hello, good morning. These are my paintings. The first one is a flower and the sun. The colors I used are yellow, green, red, orange, and black. And for this one, this is a hand with this is a colorful hand. The colors I used are green, yellow, orange, red, blue, and black. Uh, the way I painted them was that I used my fingers to paint them so that they have a larger brush stroke. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Kuya Ocean. Oh, that's, parang, what do they call it? Parang, yung naghahanap ka because that's so resourceful, baga. Very good, Kuya Ocean. Okay, next to Kuya Ocean is Ate Winter.
Hi everyone, this is my artwork. I use colors blue, red, orange, and yellow, and black for the silhouette of tree, hot air balloon, birds, grass, and myself. I also apply what I learned yesterday. Start from light to dark. I don't add too much water. I don't use all colors in the palette. Thank you, Paul.
Okay, very good, Ate Winter. Okay, next to Ate Winter is Kuya Elijah.
This is my painting. The colors I used are red, orange, yellow for the background, blue for the water, and black for the tree and human. And that is all. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Kuya Elijah. Okay, next to Kuya Elijah is Ate Yumi. Ate Yumi, open your microphone, Ate Yumi. Naka-off ka mic mo.
This is my assignment, and the colors that I used are yellow, orange, and pink, purple, and black. So you can't see the orange here because I mixed the orange with the yellow over here at the moon. And also, I used the black for the pine trees. They are different sizes. You can see here. And also I blended the colors that are purple and pink over here at the sky.
Okay, thank you, Ate Yumi. Okay, next we have from Kuya Julian. So it's another parang silhouette or sunset painting, and mayroong inag si Kuya Julian. What's that, Kuya Julian?
Hi everyone, this is my painting. It is a race car on a road. The only technique that I use here is blending. Thank you po, that's all.
Okay, very good, Kuya Julian. What kind of race car is that ba?
I don't know po, I just made.
Oh, it's okay. Very good, Kuya Julian. So next to Kuya Julian is Ate Cassidy.
Hello, teacher. Hello, classmates. This is my assignment. I drew a flower, and the background I used is color orange and some polka dots. And I also drew the sunset here. See? That's all. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Ate Cassidy. So you also made group assignments. Okay, next to Ate Cassidy is Ate Gianna. Ate Gianna. Okay, parang hindi pa din nata gumagana yung microphone ni Ate Gianna. Okay, what about si Ate Jacin? Andito ba si Ate Jacin? Okay, what about Ate Yelena and Ate Isabel? Ate Yelena and Ate Isabel.
Good morning po, everyone. So, this is my assignment po. For our assignment po yesterday, I decided to draw something similar to our activity, which is a sunset. But this time, the colors I used are purple, pink, and yellow.
Very good, Ate Yelena. What about Ate Isabel?
Ako pa.
Yata nagpasa si Ate Isabel ng picture sa group chat.
Hindi pa po.
Okay, ipasa mo later, Ate Isabel, okay?
Apa.
Ako pa po, teacher.
Okay, wait lang, Ate Aliyah. Patapusin muna natin si Ate Isabel, okay?
Okay.
So for my assignment, I just drew balloons with clouds. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Very good, Ate Isabel. Just send your assignments sa group chat inyong activities, okay? Parang last activity din, parang hindi mo din ata na-send. Okay, next we have Ate Aliyah.
This is my assignment. I draw a tree and my background is brown and green.
Okay. Okay, very good, Ate Aliyah. So now we have, okay, parang wala si Ate Margo. Okay, now we have Ate Yesha. Ate Yesha?
Good morning, everyone. I am Yashali C. Barnay. I use watercolor for my art. I love different kind of flowers with different colors. Here, this is really different because I use several colors in one flower. I just want to try something new. Thank you.
Wow, very good, Ate Yesha. Okay, so next we have naman from Ate Jazz.
Good morning, everyone. This is my drawing. So I drew the sunset that we draw last time, but this time I fold the paper and made it like this. The colors I use is like exactly like the one we used last time.
Okay, very good, Ate Jazz. Okay, next we have naman from Kuya Sean and Kuya Liam.
Hello, this is my painting of a silhouette of trees. I use the bending technique that I learned yesterday of using a wet brush to blend the colors together. I used color as the base color of my background, then painted on the orange and red. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Kuya Sean. What about your brother, Kuya Liam? Yung output mo lang yung nakita ko sa group chat.
Hello, this is my silhouette painting of a Pikachu. And the color I use is red, orange, yellow, and blue. I blend the colors together by wetting the brush and doing and blending them.
Okay, very good, Kuya Liam. Okay, what about Kuya Jacob and Ate Jamie? Kuya Jacob, are you back home now? Kuya Jacob?
Yes po, but my sister's still in the bathroom.
Okay, but have you made your assignments or activity yesterday? Kuya Jacob?
Ay, wait lang po.
Okay, hindi pa kasi nakikita ni teacher na nagpasa kayo. What about Ate Gianna and Kuya Lucas?
So, I'm sorry, we're late, teacher.
Teacher, good morning, teacher and classmates.
Good morning, Ate Gianna. It's okay. Okay,
Yes,
parang hindi kayo nag-send ng assignment sa group chat. Okay, send you later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now show it to your classmates and to teacher and then tell us what
This
you
is my
made.
drawing. A tree in a rain.
Wow, very good. That's a tree in the rain.
And with apple. It's growing.
Okay, and with apples. Very good. Okay, what about Kuya Lucas?
I painted,
I painted
sky,
sky,
moon,
lemon,
ano pa? Ano pa yun din? Ito,
tree, building,
I use
blending. I use blending too. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Very good, Kuya Lucas and Ate Gianna. It's okay na na-late kayo ng kaunti. Nag-ano pa lang man sa assignments pa lang din naman tayo, okay? Okay, so Ate Arya, can you now present your assignment, Ate Arya?
I painted a rainbow.
Oh, okay, very good, Ate Arya. Okay, what are the techniques you've used in painting your rainbow?
Painting. Blending.
Okay, very good, Ate Arya. Okay, yes, Ate Gia, can you now present us your assignment? Ay, going pala sa bathroom si Ate Gia. Okay, Kuya Jacob. It's okay, Kuya Jacob. It's okay. Yes, it was on the list of the requirements. Diba nag-send si teacher nung list of all the requirements that we'll be needing for the whole course. Nag-send si teacher doon na mayroong watercolor paper and watercolor, okay? But you can just send it once you have your watercolors ready, okay? Okay, so let's now go to our class. Are you excited for today? Okay, so ano yung gagawin natin for our very last lesson? What do you think will our output be?
Self-portrait.
Teacher. Very good. We will be making our self-portrait. Okay. So what is a self-portrait? Who wants to read the following? Yes, Ate Cassidy?
Self-portrait drawings can be a great way to practice sketching techniques. As let's face there is no shortage of material when you draw yourself, but making a sketch of yourself, whether you use a picture or look in the mirror, can teach you a lot about art and yourself. So here are some tips how to draw a self-portrait.
Okay, thank you, Ate Cassidy. Okay, so self-portrait daw, it's a really great way to practice sketching. So why is it a great way, teacher? Kasi, when we make our self-portrait, hindi tayo nauubusan ng reference. Bakit? Because we always have to look ourselves. We can always look at ourselves in the reflection, in the mirror, or take a look at our pictures, okay? Hindi naman kasi mananakaw yung ating mga mukha. That's why it's a really good thing to have our practices of self-portraits. Okay, so here are the tips on what to do with the self-portrait. Okay, first is to start with a light outline. Okay? So, yung dito is yung description dito sa watercolor ang nakalagay. But that is not the description talaga. Okay? So, you start with a light outline after the basic shapes. Okay? So, let's identify ano yung dapat ilalagay natin sa outline. Okay, where is your temple? So, teacher, your temple in your camera. Where's your temple? Okay, what about your eyes? Yes, you could go to the CR. What about your nape? The nape of your neck. The nape of your neck, nasa likod. What about your jaw? Your chin. Okay, what about your lips and your tooth? Okay, your nose. What about your cheeks? Okay, your eyebrows. Okay, so those are the parts of the face that we will be outlining after natin ma-start with the basic shapes. Okay, so just like this one. So this one, diba? So this one is the basic shape, right? That's the circle, and here's another shape in here. And then ito naman, yung mga lines, those are the guidelines. Okay? So after natin with the guidelines and the basic shapes, we will now go to the outlines. Outlines of the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, the ears, where's our temple, our lips, our chin. Okay? And the next is add shadows and smudge them. Okay, Kuya Mo, can you please read the following? Yes, Kuya Mo, open your microphone, Kuya Mo. You may read the following, Kuya.
Shadows and smudge them. To make your self-portrait drawing look professionally done. And shadows, you will want to go lightly here as well to create realistic shadow effects. Use a smudging tool or your finger to draw out the shadows. This will blend the medium you use, whether it is graphite, charcoal, or pastel, and your shadows will end up lighter and easier to clean up in case you make a mistake. Lighting is important when finding shadows, and one of the best ways to properly light yourself is to use top lighting or lighting from above. This is something to take into consideration when you take the photo you will use to do your self-portrait or during your setup if you plan to use a mirror.
Okay, very good, Kuya Mo. Okay, so we're gonna add, so the number 3 step after the, after the outlines is to add shadows, okay? So, we're gonna go lightly, hindi natin siya ganyan agad. So, dapat lightly lang, parang ganyan lang, smudge natin, tas pag kulang pa, add na naman tayo, okay? Just like what teacher taught you. Okay, you're gonna use also a smudging tool or your fingers to draw. Okay, so, and also, when you take a picture, lighting is very important. So, it's important that your lighting is great para may shadows and highlights ka in your face. Okay? So, just like this one. So, hindi niya ginawang ganyan agad ka-dark. So, yung ginawa niya first dito is building up pa ng mga shadows. Dito sa shadow sa hair, shadow sa lips, shadow sa nose, even in the neck. So, dapat build up lang slowly and lightly. Kasi pag magka-mistake ka, mahirap na yan erasein. Okay, if you're gonna erase one part in here, manadamay na din yung other spaces niya na malapit. Okay? Okay, so this is, ito yung parang full na step by step. Okay? So this one, we start with, what step is this? This is starting with the basic what?
Shape.
Basic shapes. Very good. Okay, what about the second picture, this one? This is, when you add the lines, that is called what?
Sketching.
Are you sure?
Guidelines.
Guidelines. Very good. And this one, kapag inada na natin ang temple, ng ating nose, what's this called? Ito na yung, ano tawag dito?
Outline.
Outline. Very good. Okay, and then for this part, we're now gonna erase our guidelines and basic shapes. Okay? Kasi we are now on this step. Ano na naman tong step na to? This is called as? Ano yung third step? Ano yung step pagkatapos ng outline? We're gonna add what? Add a?
Shadow.
Very good. Add the shadows or shading. Okay? And then for the very last part, we are now gonna add the fine details. Okay? So, balikan natin. What's the very first thing to do?
Basic shape.
Basic shapes. The next one is to?
Guidelines.
Guidelines. The third one?
Outlines.
And then after we added the outlines, ano nang gagawin?
Erase
Erase the guidelines. Pag meron na tayong guidelines, pag wala na tayong guidelines and meron na tayong outline sa nose, shading. And then for the last step,
Fine details.
Okay, fine details. Very good. So, bakit last ang fine details, teacher? Okay, so after you have the outline and some of the shading done, it's time for the fine details. So, take some time filling in places in the eyes and lips. And also, add some more shadowing to the neck so that your face doesn't have the appearance of floating in the air. So, the finer details are the ones that really make the portrait blend to the realistic quality of a self-portrait. So, last na ang fine details kasi, if we make them first, tapos wala pa tayong shadows, mas-smudge lang sila. So, dapat sa last part na sila, okay? Just like this one. So, as you can see dito, hindi pa na-define ang eyebrows and eyelashes nito. Yung image dito sa left. But, on the other one, for this side, na-define na ang eyebrows, yung eyelashes, the lips, even the ears part, the hair, the sequence of the cup. Okay? Kasi last na dapat yung fine details. Pagkatapos na, dito na part kasi shadows pa lang ito na part. So, pagkatapos natin ma-finalize ng shadows, we're gonna add the fine details na, okay? And the last step is to choose a good frame. So, if you like your portrait drawing, you're gonna choose a great frame for it. So, pag charcoal or graphite yung gagamitin, it's much better to use a black frame. Pag colored or something na nature, it would be better to use a wooden frame, just like this one. Okay? Okay, did you understand it now? Ano nga yung first thing na gagawin? First is start with basic shapes. Second, guidelines. Third one,
Outlines.
outlines. Very good. After adding the outlines, what are we gonna do?
Erase the guidelines.
Very good. After erasing the guidelines, shadows. And last,
Final details.
very good. Very good. Okay, so before we make our self-portrait, we'll have break time muna, okay? So our break time will be until 10:10 a.m., okay? Okay, you may now have your break time. Okay, this is your last day of break time. So, you can ask your friends or befriend your classmates here. Okay, as long as no spamming and no bullying. Okay? You can type here in the messages. How did you wait? Oh. Okay. Gamu palitan ko ko Maganda mo muna di ay. Ha? What? Sabihin? Wala, basta wala mo ka nang itaglain. Okay, na. Daw lang di pangita. Oh, wala. Ah, pakuan din ko, bisag wala, gani. Ay, yun lang din sa Ikaw, Roman. Bukali, kasi sa puting pang-inom. Ako, wala ko Diyos. Ito na una ako ba? Ipon. Maliit po na, siguro ko na para magpalit ko upuan. Sa ganit na. Anong Starlight, ay Starlink. Hindi, ang mahal naman ganyo, mga XL. Ang yung mas Hindi. Pero pwede naman. Pwede ako, pero pwede naman. So, yan, hindi kayo para ulit ba? Okay. Magkita ako rin after a year. Bako lang ito gusto. Ito. La, dili man. Tapuan man, sa pills. Ito day ko. Ito day na, inong kayo mo na. Utang gani. Ito good. Utang ako na. Day na sa mga. Pwede ka na. Ay, ice. Alam mo ice nila, ano. Ako, ano yung ha. Butang ka lang. Ano yung mga sagot at pagkakas? Mm-hmm. Wala may ice na ano. Ito. Ano yung itimpla? Sino? Dapat ito sa pila ilang po. Anong tubig? Next, pwede nasty. And then, Kung kagaingon sa pinaka sa inyo ha. Okay, mag-get na yun sila ha. Okay lang po, hindi manager na mag-apply. Ha? Ano? At wala din ito apply niyo kuan sa ads. Dili din. Ano? Manager, mag-get ka dito sa kuan ninyo sa ads. Gani. Okay, yung butang. Tapos bon. Ito na yung isabihan guys. For lunch na lang. Naiisa or duwa ata. Pero ang buto. Ano yung duwa? Okay. Okay, it is now 10:10 a.m. So are you done with your snack time now? Okay, so it's been about 19 or 20 minutes galing kanina. So let's now continue our lesson, okay? Okay. So we are now going to make your self-portrait, okay? First of all, so get a mirror or a picture of yourself. Do you have a picture of yourself? Okay, if you don't have a picture of yourself, get a mirror. If you don't have a mirror, you can just take a look from your camera. You can open your camera and take a look from there and then make your very own self-portrait, okay? After that, let's look at the different eye shapes here, okay? We have the almond, the upturned, hooded, monolith, downturned, and round. So, pick which type. Asan ba dyan yung mga mata nyo? Okay? So, if you think your eye shape is almond, okay, you try to copy it. Parang sa scratch paper lang siya, okay? Hindi talaga sa paper. Hindi pa tayo gagawa ng face, okay? Parang,
Turned akin, ma'am.
Ano, ate?
Turned akin.
Okay, very good. If you think your eyes is upturned, okay, you draw it in another piece of paper, okay? Isang mata lang para magiging guidelines lang yan siya later pag gagawa na kayo ng ano nyo talaga ng self-portrait, okay? Teacher will give you 3 minutes to copy the shape of your eyes. Wala muna shading. Wala muna smudging or whatever fine details. Wala munang eyelashes, wala munang eyebrows, just a guideline of your face, your eye shape, okay? Okay, Ate Joss, what we're gonna do is you're just gonna copy what you think is the eye shape that you have, okay? Wala muna details, wala muna shadows. Okay, so this activity would just be easy for you after every activity and lesson the teacher taught you, okay? Especially the lesson 4. Di ba sa lesson 4, gumawa na kayo ng face, right? Pero that time, wala pa kayong guide kung paano step by step magawa ng face. But kanina, teacher already taught you what are the step by step, okay? So this should be easy for you now, okay? So the next one naman is the nose shape. Okay, as in John, which of this do you think is your nose shape? Yes, Ate Yasha? Ate Yasha?
I'm still not yet done with the eye.
Okay, isang eye lang yung gagawin natin, Ate Yasha, okay? Ginawa mo ba lahat? Or isa lang yung kinapi mo, Ate Yasha?
Isa lang po.
Okay, okay. Balik ni teacher muna. Magandang buhay. Okay, is everybody done with the eyes?
No.
Okay, so wag niyo muna masyado lagyan ng details, guys, okay? Guideline lang muna, okay? Okay, very good. Okay, 2 more minutes. Wala munang details, ha? Wala munang blending, wala munang shadows. Yung sa ganitong nasa SpongeBob nakanigod, itong bafong na umpisa na siya. Edward. Mabak pa kayo siya. Tuwing ano siya ba? No. Okay, so next naman natin is the nose. Yes, Kuya Julian?
Should we also draw the circle around the nose?
Nope, you don't have to draw them, okay?
Okay po.
It's not, pwede nyo nga hindi lang yan siya i-drawing. Parang, you just take a look at the guide, parang examples, and you take a look at your picture or your face. Parang, ay, parang ganito pagka-draw yung nose ko. Okay? Oh. Okay, let's now go to the shape of your lips. Okay, which do you think is your lips is? Do you have some thin lips? some round lips, a heart-shaped lips. Which one do you think is the shape of your lips? Okay, so now for the last part. Okay, which do you think of this here is your face shape? Okay? So, yung face shape nyo lang ha. So, hindi talaga yung hair ng ating model. Dito yung face shape lang. For example, di ba, we always start with, okay, we start with the circle. Okay, so, pagkatapos ng circle, ano bang next na ilalagay mo? So, if you have, like, this face, you're gonna put, parang yung sa triangle, so you're gonna put some straight lines sa gilid, and parang ganyan siya na type sa face. Okay? So, if oval naman, parang smooth lang na oval. Okay? Okay, so take a good look at your face shape. Okay? Okay, so let's now go to our activity. So for our activity, so we're gonna do yourself a self-portrait, okay? So instead na dito yung i-review ni teacher, dito i-review ni teacher yung sa step by step, okay? So para alam nyo yung step by step natin, okay? And for the reference, you take a look at the mirror or you take a look in your picture, okay? Okay, so you do it yourself na. Ang dami ng tinuro ni teacher sa inyo. Okay, can you do this self-portrait activity? Yes or no? Naku,
Yes.
lang narinig si teacher.
Maybe.
Parang kulang sa energy. Yes or no?
Maybe.
Yes. Very good. Okay, so wala tayong assignment for today, Kuya Jael. Last activity na lang natin to. Yes, Ate Gia. Yes, you can do your hair in your own way, okay? So you may start now. So again, start with the basic shapes. Add guidelines. Put the outlines. And then erase the guidelines. Add shadows. And lastly, add the fine details, okay? Okay, so for the details of our eyes, our eyebrows, our nose, our lips, your teacher already taught you that in lesson 4.
3D po.
Yes?
3D po.
Yes, Kuya Julian?
3D po.
Yes, Kuya Julian, you're gonna add some shadows to it, okay?
Hindi po. 3D ba? 3D.
What do you mean 3D? You're gonna do yourself a self-portrait.
Okay po.
Okay. Do you have your reference photo now, Kuya Julian? Or do you have a mirror?
I have a mirror po.
Okay, okay. So you may start now, okay? Okay, if you have any questions, just type here in the messages na lang para hindi din ma-disturb ang other classmates, okay? Okay, very good. It's okay if you have your reference sa cellphone. Okay, you may start now, everybody. Okay? Alaka, connecting man yan. Bakit man yan siya na-connecting? Okay, sorry guys. Biglang nawala si teacher. Okay, can you see my presentation now? Is it back? Okay, very good. Okay, let me see Ate Yesha. Okay, patingin daw Ate Yesha. Okay, patingin si teacher. Okay, you still have 20 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes pala. Okay, you can still add more details to it if you want to, okay?
I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, sure, Ate Yesha.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 6, ano ka tawag? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, tapos 6,
Okay, patingin daw kuya. Kuya mo, ang bilis niya naman nagawa. Okay, turn off your background muna, kuya mo, para makita. Okay, Ate Winter, you're also done? Okay, add some more shadings to the face pa.
Teacher, look at myself. I'm very funny.
Yeah, teacher's looking at it. Okay, very good. Okay, so nakita ni teacher yung mga outputs niyo. So, try to add some more shadows on it and fine details. Okay? Okay, kasi mataas pa yung time niyo. Okay? You still have 13 minutes. Okay? Okay, add some more shadows. Add some fine details. Maybe you can add some backgrounds. Okay?
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, let me see Ate Gianna. I-turn off niyo muna yung backgrounds niyo para makita ni teacher. Hindi nakikita kasi ni teacher. How about Ate Jaren? Patingin daw?
I don't know to back the background.
Oh, sige na, ayun na.
Okay, wow, very
Gawa
good.
na dito, P-line.
Okay, so you still have 10 minutes, okay? Okay, add pa muna ng mga more fine details, okay? Or the background. If tapos na talaga kayo sa portrait nyo, try to add a shading on the background. Okay. Okay, Ate Gianna and Kuya Lucas. So, try to add some more shadows and fine details to it. Okay? Okay, 10 more minutes pa naman. Okay, very good. Okay, how about Kuya Jael? Can I see your drawing, Kuya Jael? Okay, wow, very good. So, try to add some more shadows sa t-shirt mo din and sa neck mo na part, Kuya Jael, okay? Okay, wow, very good, Kuya Julian. Try to add a neck in your drawing, Kuya Julian.
Okay po.
Okay, very good, Ate Jaren. Try to add some ano na lang, Ate Jaren, some shadings on the your damit, okay?
Teacher Angel.
Yes, Ate Gianna.
Lucas is not done.
Oh, okay. Okay, what about Ate Denise? Patingin ako, Ate Denise. Ate Denise and Ate Yasha. Oh, very good, Ate Winter. Very good, Ate Denise. Ate Denise, can you try to add parang sa may damit niya na part? Okay, very good. Okay, very good, Ate Yasha. Try to add the neck, Ate Yasha. Okay, try to add a neck and then kaunting damit lang, okay? Okay, very good, Kuya Julian. What about a little bit of shirt? Ha? Ano naman? Pantay nila ka na ba? Ako naman na ba sa'yo? Naman. Ako naman na sa'yo. Get, gano'n sa tayo. Gano'n sa Ano naman? Bantay lang gamit eh. Labas hindi mo balik eh sa sulod ha? One-on-one, July, one-on-one, July to 6 p.m. Keep watching, guys. Okay, are you finished already? Okay, very good. Okay, wow. Okay, okay, everybody, show your drawings to the camera and then teacher will take a picture. Wow, very good. Okay, Kuya Sean, Kuya Ocean, Ate Yelena, and Ate Isabel.
Angel,
Yes, Ate?
I'm not finished not yet. And Lucas.
Okay, let me see. Patingin si teacher. Asan na kayo na part?
In the basic shape.
Sa basic shapes pa kayo na part? It's been 30 minutes naman. Okay, patingin daw si teacher. Ate Gianna, patingin si teacher. Open your camera. Okay, di ba may ginawa ka na kanina, Ate Gianna, na yung kulang is shadows na lang? Asan man yon? Ate Gianna. Ate Gianna, teacher can't hear you.
Mommy said I'm gonna work again and again.
Okay, so would it be okay na gawin mo na lang later?
Yes.
Okay, yung kanina na lang muna na picture mo, na drawing mo, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, everybody show your drawings now. Okay, Kuya Sean, Kuya Liam, okay, Kuya Gabriel, Ate Yelena, Ate Isabel.
Oh my God. Why?
Okay, Ate Yelena, Ate Isabel, can you open your camera? Kuya Gabriel, hello?
Teacher!
Yes, Kuya?
Not done ako.
Okay, very good. So, iharap na sa camera because teacher's now gonna take a picture. Okay, everybody? Okay, everybody, one. Okay, Kuya Gabriel, show your drawings now, okay? So, 1, 2, 3.
Sure, one thing po, hindi pa ako tapos.
Okay, mag-picture na tayo, Kuya Gab. It's been 30 minutes now, okay? You can just finish it later, okay?
Teacher, wala pang mukha.
Bakit wala pang mukha, Kuya? Ano ba ginawa mo kanina?
Ginagawa ko po yung shape ng ulo po. Tapos, medyo ako nalilito sa shape ng hair ko, tapos yung ears.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Picture na lang muna tayo ngayon, okay? And then you can just continue it later, okay? Okay. Okay. Kuya Ocean, show us your drawing. Okay, Kuya Jael, show us your drawing now. Ate Gianna and Kuya Lucas. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, wow! Very good! Okay, so ang ganda-ganda naman ng mga drawings nyo. Okay, so teacher's gonna send it in our group chat, okay? Okay, wow! Very good, everybody. Okay, if meron pa kayong mga kulang na details, like the shadows, the fine details, you can just add it later, okay? Okay, so before we end our class, teacher have a question for you. Okay, did you like our art class?
Yes.
Opo.
Okay, very good. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you think you have improved? Okay, click the raise hand button. Okay, do you think you've improved? Okay, let's start with Ate Denise.
I think I improved a lot in oil pastels because that's the one thing that I wanted to learn, and also colored pencils. Because when I saw artists in YouTube doing that, they were really good with oil pastels and pencils. So that's why I joined this class, and then I got really good at it.
Okay, very good, Ate Denise. Teacher is happy to help you with that. Okay, what about Kuya Ocean?
I've definitely improved quite a lot, especially with watercolors and oil pastels, since they suited my style very well, using very bright and mating colors. I don't know basta yung mga matitingkad na kulay, yun yung mga nagugustuhan kong gamitin sa mga naging arts ko. So ayun, parang mas dumami yung mga ginagawa ko.
Okay. Thank you, Kuya Ocean. Okay, so very good, no? So yung last, yung last works mo sa painting, they're very bright colors that you've used. So teacher can see that you really like using those colors. Okay, what about Kuya Mo, our birthday boy? Do you think you've improved, Kuya Mo?
Yes, because I like shading and using oil pastels. Because I always use that.
Okay. Thank you, Kuya Mo. What about Ate Yesha?
Teacher,
Yes, Ate Yesha. Do you think you've improved?
I enjoy your art class. I love it too. Thank you po.
Okay. Thank you din, Ate Yesha. Okay, what about Kuya Elijah and Ate Cassidy?
I improve a lot of the shading and oil pastels.
Okay, thank you, Kuya Elijah. What about Ate Cassidy?
Because I want to learn how to hold pencils. Because I hold pencils very hard.
Okay, so what about now? Do you know how to hold a pencil properly na ba, Ate Cassidy?
Po.
Okay, very good. Okay, what about Kuya Julian?
I learned how to draw 5 senses.
Okay, wow, very good. Which you've also applied in your drawing now, right? Okay, very good to all of you guys, okay? Yes, Ate Charen.
Kapindot lang po. Di ko po alam kung ano sasabihin ko.
Okay, so later on sa group chat, you tell your mom and dad na lang, or if you're in the group chat, so you type in there, ha? So, do you like our art class ba? And which part of your art skills have improved, okay? Teacher would really appreciate that, okay? So, you share your experience of the class in there, okay? And then, don't forget to send your final activity, which is your self-portrait, okay? That's all for today, everybody. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for
Bye.
being with us.
Bye-bye, Teacher
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I can't say this later, but because this is the final day.
Bye, teacher. Goodbye.
No assignments. Bye-bye. You just continue and finish your self-portrait, okay? Okay, and then, yung Ate Jaren, pwede video, pwede din chat lang, okay? Your feedback of the class, okay? So that would be all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.